Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal, and in this video lecture we discuss about how to determine the cis trans or EZ isomers in organic chemistry. In organic chemistry, you know, geometrical isomer part we study about the cis trans isomer, EZ isomers, but how we can determine that isomer is a cis isomer, Z isomer, E isomer, trans isomer, how can we determine that? We discuss about this topic in this video lecture. So before starting this discussion about this topic, I would like to remind you that if you are new to this channel or do not subscribe this channel, then you can subscribe this channel right now. Now let's start the discussion about how to determine the cis trans or EZ isomers in organic chemistry. At first, what you have to know, for geometrical isomers, means for cis trans isomers, for cis trans isomerism, there is a basic condition that a double bond carbon double bond must be present, and on each carbon atom of the carbon double bond, the groups of atom or atom that attached in the valency of this carbon must be different from each other. So at first you have to check that compound have the all conditions that are required for geometrical isomerism or not. You have to check the groups of atoms that are attached with the carbon double bond. Okay, if you find these two groups are different from each other, these two groups are different from each other, then the compound can show geometrical isomerism. After that, you have to find this that molecule is a cis molecule or trans molecule. Okay, this is the first step of finding the cis trans isomerism. You have to know that the molecule have the conditions for geometrical isomerism or not. After that, you have to find that the molecule is a cis isomer or the molecule is a trans isomer. So suppose this one we are talking about this molecule is a cis molecule or trans molecule, we have to find. So we are finding that A, B, these two are different, C, D, these two are different groups of atom or atom group of atom. So for this reason these one have geometrical isomers. Now we have to find that cis isomer or trans isomer. So for this reason, if suppose A has greater priority than B, and among these C and D, C has greater priority than D. What is priority? Priority, there is a priority order according to the atomic number, increasing order of atomic number and sub rule. You have to know the priority order. I will make the separate lecture video for priority of the group of atoms or atoms. Okay, so you have to know the priority of the groups that are attached with this carbon. If you find that C atom or C group of atom have higher priority than D group of atom, D group of atom or only D atoms, then we are finding among these two atoms or groups of atom, C has higher priority, and among these two groups of atom, A has higher priority. And when higher priority groups are in same side, that time the same side means cis or Z. So when these higher priority groups are in the same side, that time we call it the cis or Z isomer. Okay, cis isomer or Z isomer case, the higher priority group must be in the same side of the double bond. These groups are present in the same side of double bond, and for this reason this one is called cis isomer or Z isomer. And when these groups are different, means higher priority groups are in different side of the double bond, that time we call the isomer as trans isomer and E isomer. Suppose for this molecule, where is this one? Suppose we take the example for this molecule. If A, B and AB both are different groups, so therefore here geometrical isomer possible, isomers are possible. So now we have to find this isomer is a cis isomer or trans isomer. Suppose A has greater priority than B, and in this case B has greater priority than A, or you can see it's C or D, and among the D and B, B has greater priority than D. So then what we find, the A has greater priority, and in this B and D, B has greater priority. Okay, so greater priority of between A and B, A has the greater priority, and priority of B is greater than the priority of D. So the greater priority groups are in the opposite sides of the double bond. Opposite side of the double bond, the greater priority groups are present. A and B both are in the opposite side. So for this reason, this is called trans or E. This type of isomers are called trans isomer or E isomer. Okay, when both groups are in opposite, means higher priority groups are in opposite direction or opposite side of the carbon-carbon double bond. And for this molecule, this one contains geometrical isomers because these two groups are different. Okay, so now the question is, this is the cis isomer or trans isomer? Either it would be a cis or be a trans isomer. So look at this group here. CH3 group has higher priority, and here in between hydrogen and CH3 groups is higher priority. Higher priority group. So when both the higher priority groups are in opposite side, we call the isomer as trans or E. So similarly, you can find the other cis trans or E isomers. Suppose for this molecule, you are seeing the priority between the hydrogen and COOH is more in case of COOH. So both the case COOH group has higher priority. So due to the higher priority of the COOH group and they are present at the same side, means same side of the double bond. So this one is called a cis isomer or a Z isomer. This is cis and or Z. Similarly, we can see other example of the isomers like this one. Here chlorine group is attached, here bromine group is attached, here iodine group is attached, and here fluorine group is attached. So for this molecule must have geometrical isomers. So we have to find that this isomer is a cis isomer or trans isomer. So between fluorine and chlorine has higher priority, and between bromine and iodine this one have higher priority. So for this reason higher priority groups are in the opposite side of each other. So for this reason this one is example of trans or E isomer. So in this way, if higher priority groups are in opposite direction, then we can call the isomer as the trans isomer, and higher priority groups are in the same side of the double bond, that time we call the isomer as cis isomer. So similarly, in this way you can find the cis and trans isomerism, cis and trans geometrical isomerism, cis and trans geometrical isomers by following this rule. Just you have to know the priority of the two groups that are attached with this carbon and priority of these two groups, and if you find the priority of the higher priority groups are in opposite side, then trans, higher priority groups are in the same side, then cis. In this way you can find out the cis and trans isomers. So thank you for watching these discussions. If you find this discussion is useful for you, then you can like this video, and if you find this channel is useful and important, or you can learn something from this channel, then you can subscribe this channel.